Hello friends, today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A71 smartphone. This smartphone has been released in the beginning of 2020 and this comes with a memory of 8 GB and total storage of 128 GB. It comes with the Snapdragon 730 processor and it is 4G enabled. As you can see, this is the box packing here. The MRP price quoted on the box is 34,999 and the price quoted online and in other stores is around 30,000. So depending on the offer that you are availing, you might get it for a lower price. The model number here is SMA7152. So this is a dual SIM mobile, and as you can see here, this has been manufactured in the month of October. This is the Indian retail unit. As you can see here, this is the box packing. And today we also have the Ringke Fusion protective cover. This is also suited for the Galaxy A71 mobile phone, and this is MRP price quoted on this is 1,999, but I purchased it for a price of 1,050 on an e-commerce retail site. This has the military grade protection, drop tested, military standard 810G, and this cover is made in Korea. Let's get into the unboxing right away. I purchased this mobile directly from Samsung. So depending on from where you are purchasing, you might get different offers during this period. Here we have the mobile phone itself. The phone is Prism Crush Black. You have a quad camera setup behind. Let me keep the phone aside and let's see what else do we get in the box. First, this is the charger. This is a new charger that I am seeing. So this is the fast charger. This is a 25-watt charger, and as you can see here, it can give an output of 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2.77 amps, or 3.3 to 5.9 volts at 3 amps or 3.3 amps, 11 volts at 2.25 amps as well. So this is a USB-C power adapter, so you should be using only the USB-C cable supplied with the phone. It says super fast charging, and this is the Indian pin. And we also get headphones with a volume up and down button and a call end and answer key. These are in-ear type earphones. Since this phone comes with a 3.5 mm headphone jack, you can use this. And also we have the USB type C to type C charging cum data transfer cable. And we do not get any extra ear tips or anything in the box. So that's it. Earlier we used to get extra ear tips. We also used to get the USB-C to micro USB adapter in case you have an older model of charger. So those are no longer included within the box. So this is the phone itself. On the top you have the noise cancellation microphone, and at the bottom you have the 3.5 mm headphone jack, the USB type C port, and the single speaker. This phone has a single speaker and the primary microphone, and at the back you have the 4 camera setup. So this is the main camera, and these are the depth and other cameras, zoom cameras. So, and you have a single flash as well. And if you quickly look at the box specs, okay, there are no specs detailed on the box, and I think I also need to check the SAR value of this phone. Those are in this box which is inside the cover, so you might want to check this as well. So you have a SIM eject tool here, and also we get a protective case within the box. This is a flexible TPU cover. We have this, and this is the model number. You can see A715F. Regional lock guide, so you need to use this with an Indian SIM for at least 5 minutes. And this phone has the advantage of having dedicated micro SD slot along with dual SIM card slots. So you can use this with two 4G SIMs as well as one micro SD card slot. And you don't get any more booklets here, so I'm just checking the SAR value for this. It says regional warranty, so they are no longer providing that SAR value, but this is supposed to be less for this phone, pretty less for this phone. Regional log guide, and then in the quick start guide also we do not have the SAR value. Okay, I think it's given here. Okay, it says the value is 0.836, so it's within the 1.6 watt per kg, and it's pretty less, the SAR value. Okay, this is the TPU cover, and I'll quickly open the ring K cover as well. Okay, so this has some instructions: protection film removal guide. Okay, it has a protective film as well, so please remove inner and outer. So they gave a protective film inside so that the cover is not damaged, and this is the design of the cover. It looks good on the phone. When you place the phone in this, the phone's color is visible as well, and the camo design is also visible. You can see the camo design here. When I show it against a white background, you can see the design. This is the design, and it gives good protection to the cameras as well, because the cameras are slightly raised. Here you can see the raised this one, and there are cutouts for the buttons as well: power button, volume up and down button, and you have cutouts for the headphone jack, charging slot, and the primary speaker. So it says shock absorption technology, and here in the corners you have a good shock protection. So it's very much essential for phones like this, because they are pretty delicate, and they do not come with metal build. These are plastic builds, so it's good to have protection for these phones. That's it for this unboxing. Please let me know if you have any queries. Thank you.